So guys, I just got my thermometer and my F4. Okay, you know how we do it when we wash our hands. Alright guys, so one of the reasons why I love this spot so much, you know, apart from the fact that they make delicious dishes, you get to have appetizer. Yes, red. You get to eat appetizer for your main dish, you understand? So I want to get to the appetizer first before I get to my main dish, which is the main dish for the day. So guys, follow me as I dig into it. I'm done with my appetizer. I'm about to dig into the main into my thermometer and my F4 guys. I can't wait to have that. You know what I'm saying? That feeling you get right now. So guys, as you can see, as I said earlier, I'm done with my dish. I'm done with my thermo and my irresistible guys. Like I said earlier, I really do enjoy it. And in the beginning of the video, I promised that I'll be talking about the health benefits of thermometer and irresistible guys. And you know how to fulfill that promise. So here it is guys. Okay, guys, so once again, the dish I just had is irresistible and thermometer. Thermometer is like I said, a very popular Nigerian dish. Right, Nigerian dish, and it's a flour made out of wheat. And irresistible is spinach mixed with, and it's not just Yoruba that eats it. In Yoruba it's called irresistible. In Igbo it's called manchu. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'm very sorry. Alright guys, spinach is rich in minerals. I'm talking about all the minerals that the body needs. It's really rich, including potassium. And you know that foods that are high in potassium are your blood level. And it also serves as an antioxidant. It fights against diseases that affect the eyes, guys. So if you have issues with your eyes, I really recommend there are several ways to prepare spinach and that you really enjoy it. So I recommend you eat spinach over and over again. It's really worth it, guys. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube page, guys, and leave a comment down in the comment section. And follow us on TikTok, on Facebook, and on Instagram, and for more on the